Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS writing task 1. This was given in IELTS Cambridge 9. The question states, the graph below gives information from a 2008 report about energy consumption in the USA since 1980 with projections until 2030. The important part is the word projections here. So it is projecting something. It is looking into the future. So what does the graph entail? The graph entails US energy consumption by fuel 1980 to 2030. So historically speaking, history is from 1980 to 2020. While projections are 2025 to 2030. Okay. Let's look at first the fuels. So the United States uses 7 different types of fuel: petrol and oil, coal, natural gas, nuclear, solar, wind, and hydropower, with solar and wind combined. Okay. So let's look at petrol and oil first. As you can see, the United States was severely reliant on petrol and oil for its energy, and this trend will continue. In 1980, it used 35 quadrillion units, and the projections are until 50 quadrillion units. Okay, so its dependence on petrol and oil will continue. Similarly to coal also steadily increased. The usage of coal steadily increased and will continue to increase, projected 2030. While for natural gas, now the usage of natural gas started at 20 quadrillion units. It had a minor fluctuation. In 1995, it had until it dropped to 15 quadrillion units, and then again rose to about 25 quadrillion units. The projection here states that the United States will use about 20 quadrillion units from what it started, and projected is about same. Now let's look at nuclear, solar, and hydropower. In all these 4 energy resources, you can say that the trajectory remains the same. The usage of 5 quadrillion units, and the units still remain same. Okay. So this is how you basically project this graph. In your body paragraph 1, you can talk about petrol and oil, coal, and natural gas. While in your body paragraph 2, you can describe nuclear, solar power, solar, wind, and hydropower. Okay. The key point to note is that there are 2 things. You also have to look at the historical perspective as well as the projections. Okay. Now with projections, I don't want you to use the word will. Why is that? Because will showcases the fact that it's a reality. This will happen. Okay. Will showcases a reality. But the word projection states a possibility. Okay. The word projection states a possibility. They project. It is not, it may happen, it may not happen. Okay. So keep that in mind as well when you are writing this task 1. If you have any further questions, please let me know, and I will post a sample answer for this task. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button